Over its 45-year history, Charter Keck Cramer has evolved immensely. As the Charter legacy has developed, our vision and values have become a guiding compass, driving our growth through our culture and the way we work. Trust, innovation, independence, diversity and collaboration have culminated to drive our firm to become and remain Australia's most trusted and innovative property group. To continue to build an environment for our clients that allows us to support their growth both locally and internationally, we are sharply focused on the value of innovation. To innovate, we've ensured that our foundations are strong. We're investing in and developing software to generate market-leading systems and processes. We're developing partnerships within industry to expand our ability to deliver Tier 1 advice to clients. Our collaboration across national and international offices is strong, providing the optimal resource pool for ideas to come together. At Charter, we're as dynamic as the property industry itself. As the markets shift, so does our thinking. We are growing as a business and going beyond boundaries, nationally and internationally. To find out more about how we deliver on our promises to our people and our clients, visit our website at charterkc.com.au.